Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. Today we're diving into the meaning, causes and fixes for trouble code P0072, Ambient Air Temperature Sensor Circuit Low Input. Let's get started. P0072 is a generic OBD2 code that indicates your car's computer is getting a low voltage signal from the ambient air temperature sensor. This sensor tells the ECU the outside air temperature, which affects things like air-fuel mixture, HVAC operation, and even the automatic climate control system. Overall, this code means the signal from the ambient air temperature AAT sensor is too low, often indicating an unrealistic cold temperature reading. Common causes of P0072. Number 1. Faulty ambient air temperature sensor. Over time, the sensor can fail internally, causing incorrect resistance readings and voltage output. This is the most common cause. Locate the ambient air temperature sensor, usually found behind the front bumper or grille area. Check for signs of damage. Cracked sensor housing, broken wires, corrosion in connectors, or loose pins. Number 2. Damaged or corroded wiring or connectors. Exposure to the elements can lead to damaged wiring insulation, corrosion at connector terminals, or broken wires, leading to poor conductivity or short circuits. Repair or replace damaged wiring or connectors. Number 3. Short to ground in the sensor circuit. If a wire in the sensor circuit is grounded, touching metal, the signal voltage drops and the ECU receives incorrect readings. Use a multimeter to check for continuity between the sensor signal wire and ground. If there's continuity, trace the harness and repair the short. Number 4. Faulty ECU, rare. A rare but possible cause could be a malfunction within the ECU itself, where it misinterprets the sensor signal. This is usually considered only after ruling out all other possibilities. After repairs, clear the P0072 code using the scanner. Drive the vehicle to ensure the code doesn't return. P0072 is typically not a serious problem, but can affect fuel economy, HVAC performance, and emissions. Promptly diagnosing and fixing the issue will restore accurate air temperature readings and prevent further inconvenience.
Car Repair Pro Tips. Use an OBD2 scanner to read trouble codes before swapping parts. Many issues aren't what they seem. Check forums or YouTube for people with your exact model. Symptoms often point to common fixes. When taking things apart, label wires, bolts, and parts using tape or bags. This avoids the "where did this go?" moment. Don't over-tighten bolts, especially spark plugs, lug nuts, or anything aluminum. Use a torque wrench and look up specs. Disconnect the battery, especially for electrical work. This avoids blown fuses or fried modules.
Thanks for watching.